Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics Den. So in this video in Adobe Illustrator we are going to create a simple spiral design as you can see on your screens. So let us begin. First of all, I'm going to delete this entire thing. Now I have taken a rectangle tool and I have locked the rectangle tool as you can see so that it won't move. And now we have to select or create an ellipse and keep the stroke on and turn off the fill color. Now increase the stroke value to round about 25-26, so I'm going to keep it to 26, and using the direct selection tool we need to separate all the anchor points. So select the anchor points and click on this particular option over here. Again, remaining two anchor points, so all the anchor points are now separated like this. So I'm going to press undo. Now I'm going to select them all and I'm going to choose this particular style over here, so it will look something like this. And I'm again going to select two of the shapes and I'm going to apply some different color like this. Again, select all the shapes and from the stroke panel select this particular option, round cap, and from dash lines keep dash to 0 and gap to around 26-27 to, so it was already 27, so enter. Now convert them into a group and we have to go to the effects menu and distort and transform always keep at least one copies. And now we have to decrease the scale value, both the horizontal and vertical. So I'm going to keep it to 85 both, and angle +8 degrees like this. And now increase the copies to maybe 25. So this is the result we were looking for. So this is a simple spiral design that we have created using some simple method. If you want to change the color of this combination of colors, then simply select the entire thing, go to object, expand appearance. Now if you want to change the color of particular section, let's say yellow section, so use the magic wand tool and you can always change the color as per your requirement like this. If you want to change this color, again select and maybe like this. You can choose any color combination that you like. So this is a simple way to design a spiral design or to create a spiral design in Adobe Illustrator. So I hope you like the video, and if you do like the video, give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye and cheers.